this example of purchase orders, we're going to be looking at some of the options that are available to you as far as saving you some time. On this purchase order, we have a customer that is needing some repairs, and we're doing a purchase order for rough lumber. If you've already completed this purchase order, you'll see that it has the customer, the rate, the quantity, etc. And therefore, if you need to go back and you need to duplicate this purchase order, you have that option. Up here at the top, you see the word create copy. Now, our purchase order number is 6237. When we create a copy of this, it says a duplicate purchase order has been created. Make any changes you need and save the purchase order. We click on OK. You'll see that it is a completely different purchase order. So if we already have all of our information, but we simply wanted to change out, and it's going to the same vendor and the same client, however it's going for a different item, you have that option for yourself. So I'm going to choose appliance, and on the appliance I'm going to say I want to say $450, and because I have nothing underneath it, I'm going to type in stainless steel stove, and therefore I have everything already saved. I didn't have to redo the vendor, I didn't have to redo the shop to dropship to address, didn't have to change anything except for the actual item. So therefore it saved me some steps from information I had to enter. For more videos such as this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.